let me introduce myself. My name is Nirmal Nurdiandani. You can call me Nirmala, Mala, Lala, it's up to you. I was born in Kuningan, 25 March 2002. I'm 19 years old, and this year I'm going to 20 years old. Oh my god, time is so fast. I think 20 years old is time a difficult time as human. I am student at Bandung Business School and I study accounting. I live in boarding house with my friend. I usually wake up at 4:30 a.m. and I tidy up my bed and clean it up. Then I brush my teeth and then I never forget to pray. At 6 a.m. I take a bath and then I'm cooking because I live in boarding house, so I'm cooking things easy, especially nuggets, egg, vegetables, etc. for things easy. After that, I get ready to start my online class and I do my assignment. If take a break, I clean up my room again and I listening to music. And my favorite music is Runtuh by Feby Putri and Takut by It Gitaf. I sleep at 11 p.m. or 12 p.m. Why? Because I do rest my brain to watch anime because I think it's my healing. In my free time, obviously, I watch anime. And my favorite anime is Haikyuu, Shingeki no Kyojin, Naruto, Bungo Stray Dogs, and more because I can't choose one my favorite because I like a lot anime. I think I'm crazy about anime, because I love Oikawa Toru in Haikyuu. Oh my god. He's so handsome, he's so good. Oh, I can't say anymore. I want him to be my boyfriend. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just kidding. I'll go on. In my free time, I like listening music. I do workout, but now it's rarely done because now I'm lazy. I live in Tajurbuntu village, Pancalang, Kuningan, and now I am in Tajurbuntu village in my home. Why? Because my mom WhatsApp me. She said miss me and I miss her too, and so I decide to go home. Ta-da! Kuningan is famous for its national attraction because it's still very beautiful and shady. The most famous such as Mount Ciremai, Wisata Cibulan, Telaga Biru Cicerem, Curug Landung, etc. Because my village is the foot of mountain, so the air is here very cold. Okay, and now I want to give you direction about one of my favorite place in Kuningan. I take you to Telaga Biru Cicerem. Let's go! After the big mosque Pasawahan, you turn right, and then after that there is a police station and you turn left. Continue to follow the path and you will arrive at destination. Okay, thank you for watching my video and see you. Have a nice day.